What happens when you're involved with a pathological liar during your DCF investigation in Massachusetts? In Massachusetts, when you have a pathological liar on your DCF case and it's being investigated, that pathological liar will do themselves in. Recent case I had, a father was saying that he had access to and responsible for a credit card, and that mother cut him off from that credit card. They were in the middle of a contentious divorce, and the father's assertions were just blatantly false. The father tried to paint the mother out to be heartless, cold-blooded, that she was ruthless because of the money. So, when it comes to money, people get funny, especially in probate and family court. And in this case, the father was just completely off his rocker. The credit card was in mom's name. She gave access to the father while they were married, but she was responsible for paying the bill. The bill came directly to her with only her name on it. So he gave her a hard time over the card and the relationship, which neither was doing very well. And when father tried to show that the card was his, it was real easy, real simple to disprove his contentions. And once we showed that father was disingenuous, was a pathological liar on one item, then all of a sudden it's like all the dominoes just started falling down. Everything the man said from that point on was just disingenuous, false, and a blatant lie. And after about 15 different things, it was just abundantly clear to anyone who wanted to look that it was captain obvious that the problem here was not the mother, but rather the father, who was a pathological liar, a narcissist, and an individual that couldn't be trusted. If he was to tell you that today was a Sunday, you'd have to go look it up in the calendar, because anything he said, as soon as he started moving his lips, he was not telling the truth. And it was all about him. Him. Positively a pathological and unequivocally a narcissist. And DCF, much to the credit, saw right through this, which was really easy to do. And DCF understood that the mother was telling the truth, the father was a pathological liar and a narcissist, and when all is said and done, they unsupported, reversed, and overturned the decision regarding mother, and they kept the decision against the father for neglect supported. DCF wants to do the right thing. I say it over and over again, but you got to give them the goods. You got to give them the evidence. You got to give it according to the right process, protocol, and procedures so that they can get it right. And how you get the right decision is by providing the right information. And when you don't, and you have the affirmative duty and opportunity to do such, you only have one person to blame. That's right, the one you see in the mirror.